Good morning, everybody. Adam, your feature teacher here, and today we're going to go over the driving assist package options. You're going to get your active lane change assist, your active distance assist, and your active steering assist. We're going to demonstrate all three. So once I get up to cruising speed and I put my cruise on and set it, basically the car is going to kind of keep you in your lane. Like right now, I can literally take my hands off for a second and it's going to keep me in my lane. It's sensing where I'm at. So it's actually turning on the highway right now. Now, you don't want to keep your hands off for a long time, otherwise it'll beep at you and tell you that please put your hands back on the wheel. It's like a semi-autonomous driving. It's not fully autonomous yet. Also, if a car were to come in front of me and slow down, the car is automatically going to slow down with the traffic. So it's smart enough to know, hey, the guy in front of me hit his brakes, so I'm going to brake too. And it's also nice that if you wish, you can change lanes automatically. All you do is signal, the car will make sure that it's good, and the car will actually turn into the next lane for you. But it's all sensing. This is all sensing for safety. Obviously, you still have to be a very attentive driver, but the car has all these safety features built in. So for any reason, something were to happen, a distraction, you know, kids in the back, you know, something on the radio, and you don't notice something because you're messing with your radio, the car is going to keep you safe. And really, that's something you can't put a price on. Safety is very important. You're driving your family. It's a great option to have.